Meaning of grudging.
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 Grudging. The word grudging is an adjective that describes a feeling or attitude of resentment or reluctance towards something. It implies a sense of begrudging or unwillingness to give or do something. People may use the word grudging when they feel obligated to do something they don't want to do, or when they are resentful towards someone or something. For example, a business may offer a grudging apology to a customer who complained, indicating that they don't really feel sorry but are doing so to avoid further conflict. In general, grudging connotes a negative emotion or sentiment towards a situation or person.